We simply align the lug on the tool with the tab on the locking cap. Hi everybody, let me introduce to you the new Laser Tools 8982 Audi coolant cap removal tool. Designed to remove and fit the Audi coolant caps, which are fitted with a locking device like this. They can be really tight. We simply align the lug on the tool with the tab on the locking cap, and as we twist the tool, it activates the cap and releases the cap as we turn. The tool is an 8-flute design and fits Audi cars from around 2017 with typically a 2-litre engines and above. Another great product made in Sheffield by Laser Tools.